Dancehall artist Demarco has revealed his star-studded track list for his upcoming debut album, Melody. The Fallen Soldiers singer revealed some big names on the 16-track project, which includes guest appearances from Sean Paul, Beenie Man, Shaggy, Conscience, among a slew of others. Demarco is known for producing hits for major international recording artists such as Styles P, Missy Elliott, Foxy Brown, Cat DeLuna, among others. He has worked with many local acts too, creating timeless hits like Busy Signals, Unknown Number, and Charlie Black's Party Animal, just to name a few. The hitmaker has also created a slew of hit rhythms, namely Top Speed, Butter, Sidewalk University, and Virus. Demarco's Melody will be released this October. Now, the queen of soca, Alison Hinds, over the weekend released her first single for 2021, Go Gyal. The single, commissioned by VP Records for the compilation Soca Gold 2021, sees Alison giving her usual upliftment to women. In the video, Alison Hinds showed her lyrical dominance as she sat on her throne, reminding fans why she is dubbed the Queen of Soca, but this time with a dancehall edge. Alison, in an interview with E-Prime, says she wants her fans to embrace the energy and vibes of the new single.
This is a dance track. It's not just, a regular dance track. It's edgy, it's vibrant, it pumping, right? So I want my fans to feel that energy and feel that vibe and embrace it, especially my ladies, because it's Go Gyal. So it's about us. It's about just taking control and letting everybody know.
Go Gyal from Disc 1 sits at track 2 on VP's Soca Gold 2021 compilation, a true non-stop party project that boasts an incredible list of soca acts like Patrice Roberts, Michelle Montano, Bunji Garlin, Rupi, Iwood George, Edwin Yearwood, and lone Jamaican Egyptian with his mega hit Hold You Soca Refix. The album fittingly sees South Africa's Jerusalem by Master KG as the first track. Jerusalem is a global monster hit, which, although not soca infused, has transcended all genres, having over 400 million views on YouTube. The single has dominated world music charts, plus a huge viral dance trend since it was released back in 2020. Now, Disc 2 is a bonus mega mix disc performed by DJ Puffy. VP Records Soca Gold 2021 is currently on pre-order for release come September 3. I'm Daedra reporting for E-Prime.